So here I'm in my shed. Here is an old set of 4 injectors off the Nemo van, with assistance of a friend to help me fit them. Managed to do it in the dark. Well, finished the job in the dark. This isn't the dirtiest injector for sure, but I think they've probably seen better days. Zoom in on that a little bit. So the injectors themselves weren't that bad. A bit fidgety, quite a bit to undo, but not that bad. The hardest part was cleaning all the seats and where the injectors go, because of course when you start pulling things about you get rubbish falling down into holes where you don't want them to, especially when it starts dropping stuff in the combustion chamber. But there we go. So that's yeah, pretty dirty. This one, just put out another one. There was one that was really bad, that looked quite bad. There's another one. There you can see that on camera. So yeah, so it started after bleeding and putting a jump pack on it. It doesn't smell nowhere near as diesely out the back end as it did, so that's a good sign. I'm hoping that the emissions would have settled down a bit and the fuel is burning a bit more efficiently with a better spray pattern and not bad as what it was. So let's see if I can get another. There was one that was really coked up. I mean, there you go. I mean, looks quite bad, doesn't it? Should be a bit better than that. There we go. So that's the injectors fitted, and tomorrow got to do a cool spring. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing to the channel. Take a look around at the other uploads and see you in the next one. Ta-da for now.